Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today's video, we're going on a little walk. And what this video is this video is going to be the first of many different videos where we talk about... That is a cool tree house. Look at that tree house over there. So what this video is this is the first of many videos where we're going to talk about the scientific method. So what the scientific method is it's really kind of the foundation, it's really kind of the foundation of all science. So all scientists will use the scientific method to learn more about the world around them. So when a scientist first starts any particular experiment, they first have to take observations. So the first step of the scientific method is to make observations about the world around you. So what is an observation? So an observation is really just when you see something and you're like, wow, that's kind of cool. So what happens is, like, right now I'm going on a walk and I'm starting to hear the thunder going and I'm starting to feel a couple raindrops and I feel like it's a little bit more windy. And all of these things help me to understand that a storm is going to be coming. So what we're going to do on this walk is I'm going to just walk around and we're going to make observations about things that are cool. So any of the people on this walk, if you guys have an observation or something that you think is interesting, you guys can point it out.
It's a chubby squirrel.
There is a chubby squirrel over there and it's eating something. We don't know what it is.
I'd say if I can see it through my binoculars.
Okay.
It's an acorn, it looks like.
An acorn? Another observation that's interesting is if we look at this tree right here, we see that all of the leaves start growing at the ends of the branches. So if we look at the base of all of those branches, there's not any leaves growing at the base. All of the leaves are just growing at the ends. So that's another observation. That's just something that's interesting and a little bit weird.
Oh, look at that tree, Kaylee, how tall it is and how skinny it is.
Oh, the white one?
Yeah.
So if we look at this white tree right here, we see that it's really, really tall and really skinny. So why is it so tall and skinny and why is it white? Because trees are normally this brown color. Why is that tree white?
I found one so small.
What is your observation?
It's back there
Where?
on the sidewalk.
Where at?
At the end of it.
Oh, so if we look at the end of the sidewalk, we see that we have some little handprints and footprints over here. Is that what you're talking about? Or you're talking about something else?
Mm-hmm.
So that's another observation that we can make. So just by looking at this, we can be like, okay, who's Jackson? Who's Maggie? Who's Matt? We don't know.
My hand fits in the map.
Another observation that I can make is if I look at that tree right in front of me, I see that there's a lot of branches that are kind of going straight up. Now that's unusual because branches normally kind of like veer out in all different kinds of directions. So why are those branches going all straight up? I don't know. What's your observation, bud? That's not an observation.
Whoa, look at all the tiny flowers that make this tree.
Oh, that's another good one. There's a bunch of tiny flowers under this tree.
Oh yeah, there
Why
is.
are there so many tiny flowers under this tree and why are they growing so close to the tree? But
Why?
they're not growing farther away from the tree. So as you get farther and farther from the tree, you see less of the tiny flowers.
There's like a lot in the middle over here, and there's like berries over here.
Yep. Another observation is that there's a policeman. So another observation. Yeah.
Kaylee, look at that's one of my favorite flowers.
Yep, we got some nice dandelions.
Oh, I found an observation.
What?
Why do they say it's like
What?
blue flowers over there?
Oh, there are, where? I don't, oh yeah, so there's some blue flowers straight ahead.
Yeah, they are.
Another observation in this area is that we have all of these different types of leaves.
Wait, can I see?
If we look,
How many minutes we have?
nope, not yet, Cullen. If we look straight ahead, we see that in the areas that aren't mowed as much, there's more yellow flowers. The areas that are mowed more often, there's yet less yellow flowers. And even if we look at the bark on this tree, we see that the tree bark is kind of green in some places. So why is it green?
I'm thinking moss.
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 But that is another, just another observation. So I hope that this video has helped you kind of get an idea of what an observation is. And what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to take some time, walk around your house, walk around your yard, and look for things that are interesting. Things that are kind of weird, kind of cool, just something that's kind of intriguing to you. And I want you to have 5 different observations. Yep, look at all of those petals falling. So go ahead, and if you want challenge points for today's video, comment on the Facebook post with 5 observations that you see. 5 unique observations, not 10, 5. All right, so thank you guys for watching. And just because I want to note, I am wearing a glove on one hand because I'm helping Ava pick up trash. You don't need to wear a glove when you're going on your walk. Yes, there's some of Ava's trash she has collected. So you don't need to wear a glove if you're going on a walk and looking for observations. That's just so I can help Ava with this hand and be safe. So that's it. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Can we say hi to this?